In this video, we are going to write the equation of the line that is represented on this graph. First, we need to determine what the slope is and what the y-intercept is. The y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. So on this graph, it crosses right here up at this point 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is point 0, 6. So our y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis, which is at 6. The slope is determined by the change in y over the change in x. Another way we can think about that is how far up or down does this graph go from one point to the next. On the numerator, the up or down goes, and then how far left or right goes in the denominator. So starting at this top point and going to the next point, we went down 3, 1, 2, 3, and then to the right 1. So the slope, the change in y, the up or down, we went down 3, so negative 3, and then we went to the right 1. That would be positive 1. Negative 3 over 1 simplifies to negative 3, and the equation of this line is y equals negative 3x plus 7.